Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach practical number 8 of advanced Python for data science. The question is this. The code is import pandas as PD, import cborn as SNS, import matplotlib.py plot has plot. Next we have data is equal to SNS dot load underscore dataset tips. It loads a tip datasets from the cborn and which stores inside it. This data contains our restaurant data, for example, if I talk about 16.99.10, we have that total bill, right? And the tip and the size and the time. So we mentioned that total is around 16.99 and then the bill tip is would be 01 or 66. The size would be 2 and what time it is, it dinner or lunch. Now here, num underscore calls is equal to total underscore bill, comma tip, comma size. So we are creating a list of numerical columns here, which has a total bill amount, tip given, group size. These columns will be compared in the plot. Next, we have convert. We are dividing into log format. Long underscore df is equal to data.min. ID underscore var is equal to time. Value underscore var is equal to num underscore calls. Var underscore name is equal to feature. Value underscore name is equal to value. So over here, a feature is what basically what does it do? Melt is used for to reshape the data, which stores the result in the long underscore df. And here we have mentioned their ID was good time, which keeps a time a particular column fixed and it can be used for grouping. Next line, which is mentioned value underscore was, which converts these columns, okay, and it is used for grouping. Next, we have total bill, okay. We mentioned the var names or the feature. So which is basically which names a new column feature and which will show the total underscore bill and zip size. Value underscore names or the value, which is basically it names the new column name, which is value, which stores the numbers. Next we have plot figure size equal to 10 comma 6. So here I'm creating a plot. The figure has to be the size of the area of the plotting area would be 10 by 6 inches. Then we are creating SNS.Voilin plot, which starts making a Voilin plot, which shows the data distribution, spread, density, median. Data is in long underscore df, which uses long underscore df as a data source. X is equal to feature, which shows the x-axis, which shows the total bill, tip, and size. Y-axis, which has value, which shows the numerical values. Q is equal to time, which is basically shows me the numerical values in categorical grouping. It separates lunch was dinner. And split is equal to it splits the color groups. So one side would be lunch and other side would be dinner. Like basically splits each violin into two halves. So both the groups appears in one violin. Next, plot the title, distribution of numerical features group by the time. This is the title of my graph. Next, I give plot.x label, that is my x-axis label would be numerical features. Then plot.y label, that would be my y-axis label values. Then I mentioned the plot.grid true, which adds a grid line for easy reading. And plot.tight underscore layout, which fixes a space so x doesn't overlap. Next is plot.show, which displays by the final graph. So this is the output. So you can see the final output, a violin plot, okay, which has x-axis, total bill, tip, and sums. So y-axis would be my numeric values, and left side is my lunch, and right side my another. The graph is basically showing the distribution of the total bill for lunch versus dinner, and also show the distribution of tips, and it also shows the group size also. So that's it for today. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you also can drop a comment. Thank you.